In the last chapter, we discussed commuting economically around Paris. Now, let's explore how to visit iconic Parisian monuments without spending a single euro. Visiting Parisian monuments for free. Paris is a city rich in history and culture, with countless monuments and museums to explore. But did you know that many of these iconic sites can be visited for free? Start your journey at the Eiffel Tower. While it costs to go up, you can explore the grounds for free, taking in the stunning views and capturing perfect photos. Stroll down the famous Champs-Élysées and admire the Arc de Triomphe from the ground level. You can also enjoy the surroundings of the Louvre and the Grand Arche without buying a ticket. The best photo spots in Paris are often free to access. Whether it's the Eiffel Tower, Montmartre, or the banks of the Seine, you'll find plenty of opportunities to capture the city's beauty without spending a dime. Many tour guides offer free walking tours, where you can learn about the city's history and culture. While tips are appreciated, they are not mandatory, making these tours an excellent option for budget-conscious travelers. With so many free attractions and tours available, you can experience the best of Paris without breaking the bank. In our next chapter, we'll help you prepare for your trip with essential packing tips. Stay tuned for practical advice on what to pack for your Paris adventure. See you in the next chapter. Remember to subscribe to our channel and visit treasuresofparis.com to download your free guidebook. The link is below. Stay tuned for practical advice on